This guy is from Gibraltar, and I believe that it's time for some attractive game. Let's go with, once again, c5. Give me the dragon, give me the dragon, don't be a boring player. Don't be a boring player. Is he gonna play e5? Ljubojevic against Ivanchuk. a6 to stop bishop e5. I'll play queen c7. And if d4, I'll play knight c6. This is the top line. Okay, you have it on my channel. You can make sure how to play against this line before I publish out my dragon, because you know that I covered all sidelines before I publish out my course about the dragon, so you can have everything before I simply publish that course, and then you'll know how to play all these sidelines. Okay, why do I like h5 and knight g4? I can't resist, sorry. I can't resist, my friend, I cannot. I apologize. I really enjoy the beauty of this game, and I like always to create some tactics and to mess the things up for my opponents. Okay? Oh, look, you gotta learn, my friend. Basic tactics. Big Maya comes up with this stuff. Dirty Big Maya. Knight e4. Go home. Siberian trap. So this guy made a mistake. Of course, he wasn't supposed to take. And see you next time, buddy.